equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. First, ensure your HP Omen is powered off and unplugged. Gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by removing the side panel screws. Carefully slide off the panel to access the internals. Next, locate the power supply unit. Disconnect all cables connected to it. Take note of where each cable goes for easy reconnect iron later. Remove the screws securing the power supply to the case. Gently pull it out. Before installing the new power supply, clean any dust inside the case. A can of compressed air works well for this. Now, place the new power supply in the same position as the old one. Secure it with screws and reconnect all cables. Once everything is connected, double-check your work. Ensure all connections are secure and tidy up any loose cables. Replace the side panel and screw it back in place. Finally, power on your HP Omen. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home, and a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.